Hi, I'm Mike Myers, Director of Sales here at Lyco Manufacturing. We're shipping another 72-inch diameter by 16-foot long rotary drum, high-capacity water blancher for specialty vegetables. This application is for freezer plants for blanching pepper slabs, pepper cups, and jalapeno slices. Since 1985, Lyco has been the recognized leader for building the most rugged and innovative blanchers in the industry, with over 850 cook-chill systems running. Some key benefits of this design include: these are continuous systems, first in, first out, with precise control for the retention and temperature. The 72-inch diameter allows for higher capacities, up to 30,000 pounds per hour, depending upon the blanch time. These systems are more sanitary than belt blanchers. The system comes with a two-way flip-top cover and a side CIP system for sanitation with removable doors for easy access to the cylinder. This system is very low maintenance with just 4 heavy-duty trunnions. Our Lyco system also comes with Allen Bradley PLC controls, which are user-friendly for recipe management, data logging, and sanitation. So if you have any blanching, cooking, or cooling applications or want more information, please visit our website at www.lycomfg.com or call our office at 920-623-4152.